Craving a way to boost your kitchen efficiency? Welcome to Hackmaster, your go-to source for all things quick and clever. Today, we're revealing 10 swift hacks that will transform your kitchen into a well-oiled machine. Hack number 1, the herb freezing tray. Preserve the freshness of your herbs by freezing them in olive oil or broth using an ice cube tray. The next time you're cooking, just pop one of these flavorful cubes into your pan. Moving on to hack number 2, discover the magic of the Instant Pot. This multi-purpose tool can drastically cut down your cooking time, making beans, stews, and even tough meats a breeze to prepare. Next, we have hack number 3, the over-the-sink cutting board. If you're short on counter space, this hack is for you. It expands your workspace and makes cleanup as simple as pushing the scraps right into the sink. Hack number 4 is the magnetic knife strip. This savvy storage solution frees up your counters and keeps your knives within easy reach. Coming up, hack number 5, prep bowls. Embrace the mise-en-place method by preparing all your ingredients ahead of time. This simple step can streamline your cooking process and reduce stress. Our 6th hack is the 2-in-1 breakfast station. This space-saving tool combines a toaster oven, coffee machine, and griddle, helping you kickstart your mornings with ease. Hack number 7. Install a Lazy Susan in your corner cabinets. This smart addition will help you make the most of your cabinet space and keep your kitchen essentials organized. Next up, hack number 8, batch cooking and freezing. Cook your meals in large batches over the weekend, then freeze them. During the week, just reheat for a quick and nutritious dinner. Hack number 9 is the boiling water kettle. An electric kettle can boil water faster than your stove, making it a time saver for pasta nights or instant soups. And finally, hack number 10, silicone baking mats. Replace disposable parchment paper with these reusable and eco-friendly mats. They're non-stick, easy to clean, and perfect for all your baking needs. That brings us to the end of our list. Give these hacks a try and experience the difference they make in your kitchen. And remember, Hackmaster is here to help you live smarter, not harder. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to keep these daily hacks coming your way.